You've selected your cigar and decided where you'll be savoring it. Now it's time to see how a cigar is meant to be cherished. Once you've got the cigar out of the cellophane, touch and feel the cigar. Check the texture of it to see if it is soft and supple or hard and dry. Smell the aromas of the cigar while taking a whiff of it. Cut the cap of the cigar, snip the end by 1 to 2 millimeters within the mark of the cap to ensure you get a smooth draw. Do a dry draw before you light the cigar to see if the airflow is smooth. Toast the cigar. Ensure that the flame doesn't touch the foot of the cigar directly. Light the cigar. Hold the cigar in your mouth and roll the cigar while you puff it with the flame barely touching the foot of the cigar. As you draw the smoke into your mouth, roll it on your palate and exhale. Rule number 1: never inhale.